Yeah. Your boy Scooby Snack. It's all on me. Let's go. Yeah, I fuck with white girls and I fuck with plenty. One of them thick and the other one is skinny. Now the thick bitch know how to ride a dick, and the skinny bitch know how to suck a dick like boom. Pop that pussy open, let me hit it from the back and bust that pussy open. My dick is heavy duty, I don't even need a Trojan. I'ma dive head first in that pussy like a dolphin and swim. That's nasty. Your girlfriend had me. That shit is classy. I had her too. And that was last week. Matter of fact, just make that other week. Matter of fact, just make that next week too. She a freak. What you want me to do? If she gonna screw, she gonna screw. What you want me to do? It's still recording?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, they cut it.